Hi, so I'm Janela Clarice Mateo, 11 years old from Philippines. So, hi YouTube. And my cousin here is about to say some memory verses that we children usually say. For example, John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. So my cousin here is also Filipino. He is 4 years old and his name is Dwight Owen Narbaza, representing the Philippines.
Ano? Psalms 23, verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Matthew 7, verse 1. Touch not that yet, be not judged. Mark 9, verse 44. That's not a game as is on our part. Thessalonians 5, verse 16. Rejoice evermore. Thessalonians 5, verse 7. Where without serious sick. Matthew 11, verse 35. Jesus wept.
John
11:35. Jesus wept. Genesis 1:1. The beginning God created the heaven and earth.
Genesis
1:3.
1:3. God said,
let there be light.
So that's all. I hope there will be a part 2 if he memorized the other one. So come here. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh. Thanks for watching. And our telephone number is 945-3778. My cell phone number is 0942266452. And my mother's cell phone number is 092171649998. Thank you.